Hey guys, what's up? It's Emmy. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a eating like and working out like Natacha Oceane. So I'm super excited to be doing this video. So as I should say, welcome back to my channel, my friends.
Welcome back to my channel, my friends.
But yeah, I'm just doing this video because she is a big inspiration in my fitness journey, and she's just someone who really dedicates a lot of time into her fitness and her videos. I really like her approach to a healthy lifestyle. So I'm just going to be eating different things that I've seen her eat over the course of a few of her videos, more recent ones, so we're kind of like in the more recent times with what she's eating. But if you didn't know, I track my food. I'm not going to track it today. She doesn't track her food. She eats intuitively, which one day I hope to get to that point. But for now, I'm tracking my food just because it aligns a little bit more with my goals. But yeah, I really like her approach to everything. Let's get right into breakfast. We're going to be making matcha pancakes. So we're starting off with the matcha pancakes. So you're going to need 2 cups of oat, or you can use flour. I would suggest using oats and flour mixed together after making this. And then you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of matcha powder. I just have this out of a bag from the store. I think I got this at Costco. And then you're going to need 2 cups of milk of your choice. So I used almond milk. Then you're going to be using 3 teaspoons of baking powder. And then vanilla extract is optional, and same with sugar, salt, or oil. So I just added the vanilla extract, not too much of it. And then you need to add 1 large banana. Make sure you really mash up that banana. And I also added honey to this recipe. It is not necessary. I just like sweet things, so that's why I added it. And then you mix it all together nice and well. And then as you're spreading it out, mine was kind of thick, so I was really trying to spread it out a lot, trying to make it thinner. And yeah, this was definitely a test run, and eventually got it figured out, and I added more banana to my mix. Okay guys, I'm kind of scared to have this just because I hope it's good. I was having trouble like cooking it all the way through. I would definitely adjust the recipe from what is suggested, like maybe a little bit less oats, a little bit more banana, or like oats and flour. Just yeah, it was kind of hard to like get a good like consistency. I got a pretty good solid pancake here, so let's try it. I'm nervous. Definitely smells a lot like matcha. I like matcha, but I feel like it's weird to eat it, you know? Okay, they're good. Different from what like you maybe used to eating, but they are good. So like once you get past like the different type of taste, unless you drink matcha all the time, I don't. So once you get past that, you can definitely taste a lot of the banana. Yeah, okay. I would suggest trying this for yourself. Yeah, it passes. Alright, well I'm gonna go eat these pancakes, and then I'll talk to you either when I work out, I'm not sure when I'm gonna do that yet, or when I make my next food. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Okay, so it is time for the workout. So I pulled from her workout guide. So I pulled a leg workout to do because I did upper body yesterday, so that needs to rest. So I pulled a leg workout, and then I pulled a HIIT workout to do. So I'm gonna do those workouts. She does a lot of reps, which I am not currently doing. I'm doing low reps, so this is gonna be pretty challenging. I am also gonna go lighter weight than I would like normally do, just because this is an extra workout for me this week. So I don't want to like push myself too much because I still need to get rest, you know? So I'm gonna go a lot lighter than I normally would, but yeah, just wanted to like point that out. So honestly, for the first set of back squats, I'm just gonna do it with just the bar, just because again, like I said, it's supposed to be a rest day for me today, so we're gonna take it nice and easy. So this first move is tempo back squats, so meaning you go a little bit slower on the way down and then shoot up quickly. So this had 4 sets of 10 reps, which is not what I'm used to doing at all. So I kept the weight super light, and I'm taking a break from squats currently in my programming. So these were feeling rough, as in like just not feeling the best. That's why I'm taking a break from them. But then you move on to hip thrusts. So I modified the hip thrust here just because I'm at home and it's hard to set up the barbell at home. So I just used a dumbbell, but I was just making sure I was going nice and slow to really feel the mind muscle connection. So this is 5 sets of 10 reps. And then the last exercise is a front bar reverse lunge. So this has 8 sets, and the reps start out at 8 reps and it goes all the way up to 14, and then it goes back down to 8. So it's like a little pyramid, and that's why this workout is only 3 moves, just because of how many reps and sets this move is. Okay, slight change in plans. So that workout is a lot and I'm feeling it, and I'm gonna listen to my body and not do another workout. I don't think it's necessary. Natasha's all about listening to your body and like respecting it, so that's what I'm gonna do. I'm feeling quite tired just from that workout, the strength one, as you can tell. So that's all I'm gonna do. I'm not gonna do the HIIT workout. I would have loved to do both of them, but honestly, she doesn't do both of them in one workout, so I'm not gonna do both of them. But just know, like, her workout style is very explosive and powerful. So yeah, I'm tired. So now we have pesto pasta. This isn't your normal type of pesto pasta. You actually use kale, and then you use garlic cloves and avocado, some lime, and I use pine nuts. The recipe called for pumpkin seeds, but yeah, I just use pine nuts, and you toast them before you mix it together. And don't forget to add the oil into the mixture, and then yeah, you just cook your pasta and add it in to your liking. Okay guys, I got the pasta here. I just scooped out like a small portion for myself, so I had a little bite just to make sure that I put enough sauce on to my liking. So I'll try it again here, but it was good when I had that little bite. Yeah, it's pretty good. So I will say it's pretty salty, and I didn't even put the amount of salt that it called for. I put like half, and I didn't put the same amount of kale in because it was just a lot, and I halved the oil as well, a little bit less than half, and honestly it was fine. So I probably should have like put less of everything in, but when I was doing it I just kind of was like winging it. Like, I never made this before, so I didn't really know. But yeah, I wouldn't put as much oil or salt in it, and instead of a blender, use a food processor, because then it'll just be easier to mix up, because I was running into trouble with that. But yeah, it's pretty good. So I'm gonna go eat this now. Then I have to make a snack. Say hello to Sophie. Then I have to make a snack, so I'll talk to you then. Okay guys, it's time to go make those baked oatmeal bites. I'm so excited. It's like 5 o'clock now, so like I'm hungry, so I'm gonna eat the snack now and kind of have a later dinner, I think is the plan. That's what I'm going with. So let's go ahead and go make these. They're super easy to make. I just need to mash a banana, put rolled oats in, milk, egg, vanilla, and some berries, and then you just bake them. So should be really quick and easy. So next up we have the baked oatmeal bites. So you're going to need 2 ripe bananas. The riper the better, because then it'll be more sweet. So make sure you really mash those up. And then you're going to need 2 cups of rolled oats, and really just mix that together before adding anything else. Then you're going to add an egg to the mixture. Then you're going to need 180 milliliters of milk of your choice. So I used almond milk, and then 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract is optional, and then I just mixed all of that up. I also added some cinnamon to mine because I thought it would just add some more flavor to it, and if I were to make this again, I would add even more cinnamon. Then you're going to add fruit of your choice. So I added frozen blueberries. It calls for 150 grams, but I would probably do a little bit less than that after making it. And then it bakes for about 18 minutes. Here's the muffin. Would make again. So for dinner, we have a chicken and rice with mango salsa. I just seasoned the chicken with paprika and salt. The recipe doesn't call to cook the peppers, onions, and mango, but I did, and I like how that turned out. Time to try. I'm gonna try the rice and other stuff first. That's good. That's a good chicken. It's like chicken, but I like the mango, onions, and red peppers with the rice. So ending with some dessert, because Natacha always has some type of like dessert or chocolate.
That is so good.
In a lot of her videos she has like Lindor chocolates, so I bought this almond sea salt dark chocolate. Already broke into it, you know, but I have like a little bit at a time, and it just helps you like satisfy your cravings. By having a little bit at a time, you're not like overindulging and feeling deprived or anything, so having a little bit at a time is good. This chocolate is really good, by the way. A little bit, and yeah, that's the end of the night. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I post new videos every Tuesday and Thursday. This was my day eating like Natacha. I really liked that pasta. I will say with the oatmeal bites, it was good, but I would add either like sugar or maple syrup into it so they're a little bit more sweet, because they're kind of plain. So yeah, if you make those, try to add like something to make it a little bit more sweet, and unless you hate sweet stuff. But yeah, I really enjoyed all the meals. It was nice to try some new things. Definitely will be making that pasta and chicken again, and also probably will be making those oatmeal bites again, just a little bit different, like tweak some stuff in it. Matcha pancakes, I still have a lot left over, and honestly I won't make them too much. If I'm gonna have pancakes, I'd rather just have plain pancakes, but it was nice to try it out and they were good. But yeah, I would probably just have normal pancakes or like chocolate or something like that. So yeah, anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.